Hello, and welcome to PTEtutorials.com. This is our introductory video into the Pearson Test of English Academic. In this presentation, we'll be going over the PTE test pattern from PTEtutorials.com. Before we begin, we would like to thank you from all of our hearts for choosing PTEtutorials.com. We work hard here to make sure that you get the most out of your experience to better prepare you for your exams and also make sure that you're able to better effectively communicate in English. So, shall we begin? In this presentation, we'll be going over what exactly the Pearson Test of English is, what the pattern of it, as well as the scoring and the different modules. The Pearson language tests are a suite of English language tests that are designed to assess the English language usage of students such as yourself who are non-native speakers of English. The Pearson tests of English include the academic section, which is something that you'll see in academic and professional settings, the general setting, as well as young learners, which are for children. So we're asking, why should you use the Pearson Test of English Academic? Well, if you want to learn English to help with employment opportunities, try and get into an English-speaking university, or to just enjoy the language and culture of other countries, we can meet those needs. You enter at a stage that suits you, and you rise through the series as you improve your formal, informal, and work-related English language skills. Now, what exactly is the pattern? In one session, for 3 hours, you'll be taking an exam. In that exam, there will be 3 sections. There will be speaking and writing, reading, and then listening. Your exam will be based on the computer, and you will be graded on your computer. The results will get back to you within 5 days, and that will determine whether or not you receive online certification. Our questions are randomized, and actually what that means is the different sections will be in different lengths, so no 2 exams will be exactly the same. So like we said, all the questions are going to be computer graded. There are 2 scoring patterns. There's correct or incorrect, and then there's partial credit opportunities. For the incorrect or correct statements, you will be based upon, is your answer correct or is it incorrect? In order to receive the points or the marks, you will have to be completely correct. Otherwise, you will not be awarded anything. An example of this question type is a multiple choice question with only 1 correct option. For partial credit, for every part that's correct, you'll receive points. An example of this would be a reading aloud. Now, the different modules in the Pearson Test of English are the speaking and writing, the reading, and the listening. For the speaking and writing, you will have between 77 and 93 minutes with multiple recordings. This will be about 40 questions. The next section is going to be reading, and that will be anywhere from 32 to 41 minutes, depending on the questions that you receive. You will have 1 text per question, and there will be approximately 18 questions. The final section is the listening section, and that will be anywhere from 45 to 57 minutes. And there will be listening for 1 question, and there are approximately 20 questions. For the speaking section, the different question types that you will have are the reading aloud, repeating a sentence, describing the image, retelling a lecture, and answering short questions. For the writing, you will have to summarize a written text as well as write an essay. For reading, you will have different options, such as multiple choice questions, and of those multiple choice, you will either have single option or multiple option. You will have to reorder paragraphs, and you will have to fill in blanks. For the listening, you will be summarizing a spoken text. You will have multiple choice questions. You will have to fill in blanks. You will have to highlight a correct summary, select missing words, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Our specialties here at PTE Tutorials are that we have a suite of PTE academic training videos. If you want to learn more about all those different question types that you just saw, we have those. We'll also give you mock tests that are prepared by our trainers who have been certified. Our effective practice tests will help you develop a technique. That way, you won't have to worry about how you answer the question. You will know the question. And instead, all you will have to do is focus on performing in English as best as you can. Each test is an equivalent to IELTS Band 7 or more. And our mock tests are evaluated by our certified trainers as well as native speakers. Now here at PTE Tutorials, our motto is watch, practice, learn, and succeed. You watch others, you practice, you learn, and then you will succeed. We would like you to sign up for more videos, and we'll go into greater depth in how to go over everything that you just saw. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our future videos. Thank you, and have a good day.